Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how you can search for settings in the settings menu. So in your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can use a built-in voice assistant or the Samsung settings search feature where you can now say what you're looking for. So for example, change wallpaper or turn on Bluetooth or maybe turn on the dark mode. Your S25 Ultra will take you directly to that settings page. So let me show you how to do this. So first, go ahead and open up the settings menu. Now from here, tap on search, and now you can basically do a search by your voice. So let's just say I'm looking for a setting for my eyes. So I want to turn on maybe the blue filter. So I'll go ahead and tap on search. My eyes are hurting. And here I can go ahead and look at the display, and I can go ahead and turn on the eye comfort shield or the enhanced mode, or the dark mode settings, or the adaptive brightness. By doing a search with your voice, you can basically find any settings you want. Let's go ahead and try another one. Where can I find the edge panel setting? And here, as you can see, it's found the edge panel settings in display. So I can go ahead and tap on this, and this will take me straight to that settings. So this feature basically saves time and effort, especially if you're unfamiliar with the phone's deep settings menu. So it's perfect for quick adjustments or when your hands are busy. And there you go, guys. That's how to speak to search for settings on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.